As technology continues to evolve, we are seeing rapid advancements in the field of artificial intelligence. One major question on the minds of many in the tech industry is whether AI will replace developers in the future. While it is true that AI is already capable of performing certain tasks that were once the exclusive domain of human developers, it is unlikely that humans will become completely obsolete in this field. AI is able to perform certain tasks faster and more accurately than humans can, such as finding patterns in large data sets and identifying potential bugs in lines of code. However, developers still possess a deeper understanding of the underlying logic of a program and are able to conceptualize and design complex systems that AI cannot. Moreover, developers are still needed to make decisions based on business requirements and to interpret results generated by AI. AI is a tool that can assist developers, but it is not a substitute for human intuition and creativity. In the near future, we may see a shift in the role that developers play in the development process. AI will likely take on more tasks, leaving developers to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of programming. This shift may actually improve the quality of software development by eliminating mundane and repetitive tasks. In conclusion, while AI is certainly changing the field of software development, it is unlikely that it will replace developers altogether. AI and developers will continue to work together and complement each other's strengths to create better software. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech news and analysis.